Alright, we're packing up, heading down to Put-in Bay and Kelley's Island. Aboard my parents' 2006 44 Sundancer with twin 8.3 Cummins power. Taking off from Belmar Harbor, Harrison Township. It's funny, look at their neighbor, just got the same boat. I think that one's a 2004. Oh look, there's another one. Right on. Boom. And we're on the lake. This is just in the channel here, leaving Belmar Harbor. Getting the boat up to operating temp. And getting ready to plane her out. And here we go. Game on. Courage. Passed by 2 U.S. Border Patrol agents. They didn't care. They're really starting to move here. Doing about 27 miles an hour at 2,200 RPM. And here we are, down in Put-in Bay. That's my dad's buddy's 51. Sierra, I think it's a 2015. Nice little Magnum. What a beaut. Ah, you've been here.
Do you want me to take one of all 4 of you?
Oh, it's okay. You're actually good.
Okay. No, I've never been here.
It's not going anywhere.
More pit footage for all y'all non-boaters. Pit means Put-in Bay. pretty stiff east wind. Sierra over here. Been here since we got here. Not a body on board. Unless there is. I don't know. No one's been on that boat. Tied up to a mooring boat. It's funny, the boats don't move as much on the mooring boats. They face the wind, I guess. I don't know. Port starboard line on the bow. So stationary. Yeah, this big dude, this 51 Dancer. It's my dad's buddy. This thing's fucking freak shit house, man. This boat's crazy. This boat is absolutely crazy. Give up the shit. Dad's rig. Looking clean. Yeah, we're moving in here, man. Tell you what. The monument. Last night in Put in Bay, off to Kelley's Island tomorrow. It's that way. Okay. And Uncle Laka said, hey, go all the way out. You know, and then swing. Well, and we looked it up on the old Garmin. Garmin says otherwise, all right? So we finna see. Heading that way, right through that hole. Mm-hmm. Yes, sir. If you know, you know. This is Joe's Bar. One of my favorite spots on the island. Probably the best dive bar in all of North America.
Here on Gilligan's Island.
Sitting nice and flat after a very rough Lake Erie crossing. All right, folks. Dad, give them an update. Where are we at?
We are in Kelley's Island, waiting for the pole walking competition with Crisco
All over that thing.
all over that thing.
A lot of Crisco.
A lot of Crisco, a lot of people. It's a big event.
Everyone's excited. Lots of horn
They
action.
get $1,000 if they make it to the end. Pretty cool. This is like, yeah, really cool.
So this is going to be the follow-up segment from the ride yesterday.
Okay.
Tell the people about the ride.
The ride was sporty,
Sporty.
but Captain Mike handled it real well. We powered up like maybe 18, 19 mph.
Yep.
And once we got up to that spot, boat handled it really well.
Yeah. That was your call too. I should have knew better,
Yeah,
and it helped a lot.
yeah. But she did well.
Yeah.
Big girl can handle those sporty waves.
Yeah. We didn't get a lot of footage from yesterday. Rightfully so.
No, we're not working the cameras when
No.
we're captain and first mate. We're just kind of making sure we're
Yeah.
on course.
The girls got a little bit of footage. There's only about 20, 30 seconds worth. But yeah, it was pretty serious.
That was good. And then docking was interesting.
Had to work for it.
Had to work for it.
Yep.
We didn't have to work as hard as Michael P. on his documentary.
No.
That was crazy.
Yeah.
Where they put him.
Damn star, Dad. On camera, you just shine.
Oh,
All
am I
those-
still on camera?
Yeah. Yeah, all those years of experience.
Yeah.
You know. All right, we'll come back on here once the people start running.
Yeah. Once we get the first fool out there.
Yeah.
Welcome aboard for the sixth annual Greasy Pole competition sponsored by Dockers Portside Marina and Tito's and High Noon. People are going to get hurt today. This is going to be funny.
People are gonna get hurt today.
That's gonna be funny.
Obviously, the first thing we want to do is stress safety. Safety concerns. Contestants, listen up if you will, please. We have a flag person, Russ. Russ, wave that flag. When you are in the water after you've dropped off the pole, please make your way to the ladder where Russ is with the flag. I will not allow the next contestant to go on the pole until that flag is waved, so we clear everybody out of the way when you pull, okay? All right, rules. We've only got a couple. First and foremost, drink a lot today and have fun. Second of all, this is going to be pretty cool. Do I have somebody on the stage that can turn up number 3 on my mixer so you guys can hear me? Mike Crafty, can you go to my stage? Number 3, channel 3, turn it up. Okay, so the first round, contestants, you can call it a practice round if you will. The first round, you get an opportunity to walk the pole. You will not grab the flag. That is not your intention on the first round. It's just to get your feet kind of used to the greasy pole. We're going to go in order that you signed up just for that first round only. Second round, which is the round that you will be allowed to grab the flag, we will do it randomly.
That's the money round, right?
Yeah, that's the money round. That's the money round.
Contestants, does that
That's
make
the money
sense?
shot.
Contestants asked why they have to wear the mouth guards this year. Gail Fox, you are up on the pole. Gail makes that down. I'll hold your hair. That was the prettiest distance. Jack Whalen, you're on deck. Colin McLeod, you're on deck.
Another minion at it.
Smith, you are in the hole. Nice nose. Put that nose out there.
Don't break your nose.
Is this your girl?
They're married.
Screen on today.
I'm surprised he came back.
How many drinks did they have this morning?
They've been drinking.
I don't think she has.
No,
Because
she
I
had.
wouldn't
He
be
had.
doing this sober.
No, absolutely not. Yeah, they said don't grab
So
it.
it's the free practice round. Does anyone ever get the flag?
Yeah, yeah. Don't go till somebody does.
Greasy pole game. I mean, I would too.
I mean, everyone's close. Knock your teeth out. We're gonna walk.
I know the ones with the mouth guards are smart.
Yeah. Oh, absolutely.
said nobody likes a winner. See, look at him.
Ryan Thomas, the pole is yours, sir.
Get it, ride that thing. Oh, way faster. Oh, man. What do we think, MP? Was that the approach or no?
So that's a dose of humility right there.
A little bit. A little bit. Star appearance. MP.
Yeah, well,
M3 Investments.
the slippery pole walk is an interesting event.
That smells like farts a little bit.
Could be a little bit going on.
Yeah.
You are on deck. Anthony Eswich. We'll call up that. Anthony,
You must be
you're
afraid of water.
Hands have got a life jacket.
I'd have one on too. I ain't gonna lie. Fuck yeah. What happened to you hit your head?
Ooh, good point.
And Vicky, give us your thoughts here.
So that guy that just went,
Yeah. The short pants guy?
he won the last 2 years in a row.
He's a good looking dude.
And then he got arrested. He got arrested at the end of the day.
Oh, really?
Oh.
Oh, we
So
missed
that's
that.
why no one likes him, maybe. He was walking around.
What's that?
He was walking around town like that, and he won the last 2 years. At the end of the day, they live here on Kelley's Island, so they told us.
Well, he hit it up. He's cold.
So the money you won.
Yeah, there's Bell.
Well, that's a kick in the dick, ain't it?
At some point, I'd just throw myself in the water.
Tell him, Sam, what do you think?
I think these people are fucking idiots. But that's fine, okay.
All right, we're late in the video now, so we can swear.
Sorry, fucking idiots.
It's worth the price of the ticket.
Look, he's come close. Nice. Nice job, Al. This one's got his sunglasses and his hat on.
He gonna lose him.
Like the easy way out.
No glasses. Ginger. Did you hear what Terry said? We're probably going to get hit by the spray on this
Not
one.
this one, the next one is their kid.
Cameron Jenkins taking
Good. Why?
Nice! Nice. All right. Couple style points there. All right, this your kid going out?
Oh, there's Cody.
That's your boy?
This is his.
All right.
He's probably drunk right now.
I hope so.
I heard that
Oh,
helps
and
with
then that's
balance.
his girlfriend?
Yeah.
Apparently.
Okay, interesting technique.
Keep going, keep going.
Don't be scared.
Not bad, actually.
Not bad.
How's that going?
That left foot slipped.
Oh, just barf
She
in
was
the
puking an hour
water.
ago.
Come on.
She was.
Okay, Bridget, you are clear to mount the pole.
Party like it was.
Oh, don't fall right there. It's too close.
Show your left to Bridget.
Get it, girl.
Tippy toe, tippy toe. Let's practice anyway.
Oh, she plugs her nose. That's cute. Put it back in the container from last
Put
year.
in some boiling
didn't
water,
wash
just
it.
grab one out, yeah.
Oh! Oh, she did good.
Oh, he can't even do it on the dry spot.
Oh,
That's how I feel.
come on, man.
He fell on the stage.
That man smacks his head on the stool up there.
Hits his head on the fucking announcer's leg.
Oh.
You have to fall off. I'm out.
Yeah.
I'm not going in that cold water.
Are they still all new people? I thought they only took 35.
I mean, sorry, your son's not one.
What?
I said, there's many more and sign up for this, and I said, sorry, I know your son.
Oh, no. He's not all there. But the second round.
This kid's got balance.
Oh, he's got the partner.
Oh, wow.
We're going back for a charge.
All right, folks, give me a good summary of that. Come on now. You're going to be famous. We're going on YouTube.
The guy in a robe is going to split it right down the middle and crotch it for sure.
And crotch it. All right. I feel like one of the ladies is going to take it.
You think?
I do.
I wouldn't go
What
back
up?
up again.
I'll take it.
You'll take it? All right. What do you think? Who's going to take it?
I want a girl.
Probably the cheater.
Yeah.
Probably the cheater.
Terry said he's signing up now.
Oh no! Oh no! He didn't get far.
I don't think.
With a ladder. And a guy's trying to balance
Okay,
himself
this
on
is
that
at
ladder.
least not as sketchy then.
Yeah, this is better.
Also, there's gonna be
Legit Cresco.
That was ref on the left.
Okay. That girl does squats for sure. How do you feel about your son's performance?
Not good.
Not good. Not good.
He saved it for the second round.
All right. Last year's winner, everyone's all mad.
Are you ready? Before you might get over the water. Just because you walk.
You stop!
Yeah, he goes.
All right, buddy. All right, buddy. You're a good doggy. You're a good doggy.
I couldn't get up there.
Well, yeah, Sam.
Girl power!
Faster. Go! Faster. Tippy toe.
She gone.
All right, give us a recap.
These people are crazy.
Most definitely.
Most definitely. I'm getting banned from YouTube because of you guys.
You can do it.
Send it! Too slow. Backflip.
Backflip.
You got the boss driving? Give the people a recap of day 4.
Day 4 has been day 4ing.
That's it?
Yeah.
Wow.
Ready to go home.
Sounds like we're about to lose our hardtop here.
I don't know.
The waves have calmed down. I'll tell you what.
I sneezed. Get out of here.
I can't wait to watch this on the television later.
What's up?
We can make a movie out of this thing.
This is seriously as fast as this thing goes.
looking for waves. This was where waves were bad last night. We're on the way back. Been a good trip. On the way home. In the middle of Lake Erie now. We got Michael P. off to our port side, way over there. Way over there. And we got Babe. What are you doing, Babe? Quick update. We're in the Livingston Channel. What was your boy doing, Dad?
Oh, I don't know what he was doing back there.
Our guy Michael P. I know you're gonna watch this video. You were being a slop tart back there. What do you think, Sam? What was he doing?
I don't like it.
You don't like it? Do you like it?
You were going nuts.
Yeah. Michael P. Yeah, 23.5. We were going about 25.5, 26, so we're getting robbed about 2.5 miles an hour in the channel here. This is one of my favorite parts of the trip.